Portugal. A world of discovery awaits. This beautiful country, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is ready to be explored. Portugal, a small country with a big heart. Its people are known for their warmth and hospitality, making every visitor feel at home. Nestled on the Iberian Peninsula, it beckons travelers with a tapestry of experiences. From the rugged coastline to the rolling hills and lush vineyards, every corner of Portugal tells a story. From sun-drenched beaches to historic cities, Portugal offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, there's always something new to discover. Explore ancient castles and wander through cobblestone streets. The echoes of the past resonate in every stone and every alleyway. Savor fresh seafood and sip on world-class wines. Portugal's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, with flavors that reflect its diverse cultural influences. Discover the warmth of the Portuguese people and embrace their vibrant culture. From traditional fado music to lively street festivals, there's always a celebration to join. Let's embark on a journey through this enchanting land. Each region has its own unique charm, waiting to be uncovered. Portugal's history is as rich as its cuisine. Every dish tells a story passed down through generations. Phoenicians, Romans, and Moors have all left their mark on this fascinating country. Their legacies are visible in the architecture, the traditions, and the very fabric of Portuguese life. The result is a unique blend of architectural styles, cultural traditions, and culinary delights. Each element adds to the rich tapestry that is Portugal. Whether you crave adventure or relaxation, Portugal promises an unforgettable escape. Ride the waves, bask in the sun, or simply take in the breathtaking views. So, pack your bags and get ready to be captivated. Portugal awaits with open arms, ready to share its treasures with you. Lisbon, where history meets hipster. This city is a unique blend of the old and the new, where ancient history meets contemporary culture. Lisbon, the vibrant capital city, pulsates with energy. Its streets are alive with the sounds of street musicians, the aroma of freshly baked pastries, and the chatter of locals and tourists alike. Ride the iconic yellow trams that wind through the hilly streets. These trams have been a part of Lisbon's landscape for over a century, offering a nostalgic journey through the city's most picturesque neighborhoods. Explore the Alfama district, a charming labyrinth of narrow alleys and traditional houses. This area is the oldest in Lisbon, where you can lose yourself in its maze-like streets and discover hidden gems around every corner. Visit the Jerónimos Monastery, a masterpiece of Manueline architecture. This stunning structure, built in the 16th century, is a testament to Portugal's rich maritime history and its age of discovery. This ornate style, unique to Portugal, reflects the country's age of discovery. The intricate carvings and detailed stonework tell stories of explorers and their voyages to unknown lands. Don't miss the Belém Tower, a 16th century fortress guarding the entrance to Lisbon's harbor. This iconic landmark offers stunning views of the Tagus River and the surrounding area. It stands as a symbol of Portugal's seafaring past. The tower's unique design and strategic location made it a key part of Lisbon's defense system. For a taste of local life, head to a Tasca, a traditional Portuguese tavern. These cozy eateries are the heart of Lisbon's culinary scene, where you can enjoy authentic dishes in a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Indulge in fresh seafood, like grilled sardines, a local favorite. Watch as chefs expertly prepare these delicious dishes, using recipes that have been passed down through generations, and savor the flavors of Portuguese cuisine. From hearty stews to sweet pastries, Lisbon's food scene is a feast for the senses. Lisbon offers a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. The city's skyline is a mix of historic buildings and contemporary architecture, creating a unique and dynamic urban landscape. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins or trendy boutiques, Lisbon has something for everyone. Porto, a toast to tradition and charm. Nestled along the Douro River, this city is a harmonious blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Porto, the city of bridges, is renowned for its port wine production. The vineyards that dot the landscape are a testament to centuries of winemaking tradition. Stroll along the Douro River and admire the colorful Rebelo boats that once transported the region's famous wine. These boats are a symbol of Porto's rich maritime history. Cross the iconic Dom Luís Wick Bridge, a double-decker metal arch designed by a student of Gustave Eiffel. This architectural marvel offers stunning views of the city and river below. Explore the Ribeira district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its narrow streets and lively atmosphere. Here, history comes alive with every step you take. Delve into the world of port wine by visiting one of the many cellars in Vila Nova de Gaia. These cellars are steeped in history and offer a glimpse into the meticulous process of winemaking. Take a guided tour and learn about the production process, from grape to glass. Discover the secrets behind the rich flavors and aromas that make port wines so unique. Sample different varieties of this fortified wine and discover your favorite. Each sip tells a story of the region's dedication to quality and tradition. Porto is a city that embraces its heritage while offering a contemporary vibe. From its historic architecture to its modern innovations, Porto is a city that seamlessly blends the past and the present, creating a unique and captivating experience for all who visit. Algarve, sun, sand, and sea caves. The Algarve, Portugal's southernmost region, is a sun-seeker's paradise. Stretching along the coast, it boasts golden beaches, dramatic cliffs, and hidden coves. Relax on the pristine sands of Praia da Marinha or Praia da Rocha, two of the Algarve's most stunning beaches. Take a boat trip to explore the Benagil Cave, a natural wonder with a breathtaking skylight. For a taste of adventure, try water sports like surfing, windsurfing, or paddleboarding. The Algarve's coastline offers plenty of opportunities to ride the waves. In the evening, savor fresh seafood at a beachfront restaurant as the sun sets over the Atlantic Ocean. The Algarve is a destination that promises relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable memories. Sintra, a town nestled in the hills near Lisbon, feels like something out of a fairy tale. Visit the Pena Palace, a whimsical romanticist palace perched atop a hilltop. Its vibrant colors and eclectic architectural styles create a truly magical atmosphere. Explore the Quinta da Regaleira, a mysterious estate with hidden tunnels, underground grottos, and symbolic gardens. Wander through the gardens of the Montserrat Palace, a former royal residence with exotic plants and stunning views. Discover the Moorish Castle, an 8th century fortress offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding area. Sintra is a place where imagination runs wild, and every corner holds a touch of enchantment. The Azores, a group of 9 volcanic islands in the Atlantic Ocean, offer a unique escape. Explore the lush landscapes of São Miguel Island, known as the Green Island. Hike to the crater lakes of Sete Cidades or Lagoa do Fogo, surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Visit the Furnace Valley, a geothermal area with bubbling hot springs and volcanic vents. Go whale watching off the coast of Pico Island, home to the highest mountain in Portugal. Explore the vineyards of Terceira Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and sample the local wines. The Azores offer a tranquil retreat for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Coimbra, home to one of the oldest universities in the world, exudes a scholarly atmosphere. Explore the historic university campus, founded in 1290. Visit the Joanina Library, a Baroque masterpiece with ornate gilded woodwork and a collection of over 300,000 books. Listen to the haunting melodies of Fado de Coimbra, a unique style of Portuguese fado music traditionally sung by students. Wander through the charming streets of the old town, lined with traditional houses and student cafes. Cross the Ponte de Santa Clara, a picturesque bridge over the Mondego River. Coimbra offers a glimpse into Portugal's intellectual heritage and a charming university town experience. Óbidos, a picturesque village encircled by medieval walls, transports visitors back in time. Enter through the Porta da Vila, a grand gate adorned with traditional blue and white tiles. Wander through the cobblestone streets lined with whitewashed houses and colorful flower boxes. Visit the Castelo de Óbidos, a well-preserved castle that now houses a pousada, a historic hotel. Sample Ginginha de Óbidos, a local liqueur made from sour cherries, often served in a chocolate cup. Browse the shops selling handicrafts, ceramics, and other souvenirs. Óbidos is a charming escape that captures the romance and history of Portugal. The Alentejo, a region in southern Portugal, is known for its rolling hills, vast plains, and traditional way of life. Explore the ancient Roman ruins of Évora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visit the Capela dos Ossos, a chapel decorated with human bones and skulls. Discover the megalithic monuments of the Alentejo Central, dating back to the Neolithic period. Indulge in the region's hearty cuisine, known for its use of pork, bread, and olive oil. Sample local wines, produced in the region's many vineyards. The Alentejo offers a peaceful retreat for those seeking authenticity and a slower pace of life. Portugal's charm lies not only in its sights, but also in its people and their way of life. Embrace the warmth of the Portuguese hospitality, known as simpatia. Engage in conversations with locals, savor their delicious cuisine, and appreciate their love for music, dance, and tradition. Portugal is a country that invites exploration and connection. Whether you're strolling through historic cities, relaxing on pristine beaches, or venturing into the countryside, Portugal will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. So, heed the call of adventure and discover the magic of Portugal for yourself. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until next video, safe and happy travels.